Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Thursday, June 19, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going this morning?
Hey David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, not bad. Just need this coffee to wake up.
I know, right? Coffee is life at this hour?
Totally. So did you see any news today?
Yeah, I read something interesting about global money stuff. What about you?
Oh, I saw that too. Something about the G7 and AI rules, right?
Yes, exactly. The G7 leaders want to make safety rules for AI around the world.
That's big. I mean, AI is everywhere now, even in our sales tools.
True. They want tech companies to be more open about how they build AI.
Good idea. I don't want some robot taking my sales job.
Don't worry. But it's important to make sure AI is safe for everyone.
Yeah, for sure. If they mess up, it could hurt business big time.
Exactly. Rules can help keep things fair and safe.
I hope they hurry up with that. We need trust in tech for our clients.
Agreed. It's a step forward for all industries.
Speaking of tech, I saw news about something cool, a new phone app for saving money.
Oh, really? What's that about?
It's an app that helps you track your spending, super easy to use.
That sounds useful. I'm always looking for ways to save a bit.
Me too. They say it connects to your bank and shows where your money goes.
Nice. Does it give tips or just show numbers?
It gives tips too, like cut down on coffee, huh?
No way I'm cutting coffee, but I might try that app.
You should. I'm downloading it after this break.
Let me know if it works. Tech like this can really help day-to-day life.
For sure. If I save some cash, maybe I'll buy better coffee for the office.
Haha, deal. We all need better coffee here.
Oh, and did you hear about that big movie thing in the news?
No, what's that? Tell me.
There's this huge new streaming show everyone's talking about. It broke records already.
Oh, cool. What kind of show is it?
It's a drama, I think. They say over 50 million people watched it in just 2 days.
Wow, that's a lot. What's the story about?
I'm not sure yet. Something about family and secrets, I guess.
Sounds interesting. I might watch it this weekend.
You should. Everyone in sales is chatting about it already.
Okay. I don't want to miss out on the office gossip.
Exactly. It's like free team bonding, just watching the same show.
True. Culture stuff like this brings people together.
Yeah. It's nice to have something fun to talk about. Not just work, work, work.
For sure. It's a good break from all the meetings.
Speaking of meetings, I've got one in 10 minutes. Better finish this coffee fast.
Same here. I'm very busy today with project plans.
Always busy? Well, catch you later, Alex.
Yeah, see you later, David. Have a good day.
You too, don't work too hard.
Haha, I'll try. Take care.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.